Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the last content of the trial balance. In this topic, I will tell you how to prepare the trial balance numerically. And now you may observe here the one question is listed. From the following balances extracted from the ledger. In the books of the traders, you have to prepare the trial balance as on 31st March 2006. So many data are listed here. So you have to find out the data according to the rules of debit and credit, like the cash in hand, like asset, then cash at bank, asset, bill receivable, asset, bill payable, liabilities, sundry debtors, asset, sundry creditors, liabilities, capitals as a on liabilities, and the drawings, that means asset, sales, that means the part of your stock you may observe as a asset or you may observe as a revenue, and then purchase as a expense, or you may, if you are attaching with the stock, that means asset, and then carries inwards, that means expenses, it may be carries inward, carries outward, both are expenses, and then salaries, expense, and now advertisement expense, and the insurance expense, and the furniture asset, stock asset, office rent. Like this, in the same manner you have to elaborate all the items, find out with the nature of assets, liabilities, capital, revenue, and expenses. You have to bifurcate all the item into the natures. So the same is, you have to put this into the one trial balance with the name of the company you may write down, as at the date you may have to write down here. This is the format of the nature of account is listed one by one, all the accounts you may have to write down here and put. If it is debit balance, then put the data of the assets and expenses will remain on the debit, and the other items will be remain on credit. You may see assets, cash asset on debit, cash bank asset on debit, bill receivable asset, but bill payable is a liability, so it is shown on the credit. So the two items will remain on the debit, like assets and expense. Other item, revenue, liabilities and capital, will remain on the credit. So you have to put the elaborations like this, like the sale is given, sale is on the credit, purchase is on the debit, carries inward, carries outward, both will be on the debit because the carries expense, and now sale on debit. And the same is the advertisements, insurance, furniture is on debit as an asset, rent is expense, and now stock is also the part of asset. So you may observe the one thing I want to tell you, like this word is given, rent. Rent paid, rent received word is there. But if the received word is not mentioned, credit word is not mentioned, all the items such kind of to be considered as paid. Like the rent paid, interest paid, commission paid. If the simple word is there, interest, commission, and rent or other items, so dividend, so you have to consider as a part of expense. Revenue will not be supposed. So, because the principles of the prudence indicates only the losses can be considered. When specification is there, rent received or the rent credit, then only it will be considered an rent received. When the specification is there, or your balance is more, credit balance is more when you are preparing rent account. So think this is the scheme now. Now I am moving to the next question is also listed here. You have to bifurcate all these questions according to the nature and then prepare. Now you may see here that slightly the format is different. One is the debit side is listed, second is, but actually this is not the format of the trial balance. Trial balance format is the all the name of accounts one by one to put here. After the stock you have to put capital. After the capital you have to put sales and creditors, only the one side only. But if you are eliminating this, again the debit and credit balance will come in front of you. Only to give you the knowledge about to means the debit means what does it means and the credit means. These are the balances, and these balances are coming from your ledger. The ledger showing cash 800, we are putting 800. If it is debit, it is on always remain on debit. But bank can be on the debit and credit. As debit balance is there, if debit side is more, the bank will be put on the debit. If it is credit side is more, it will be called as bank overdraft, called as liabilities. So the balances you have to extract from the ledger. So this is the system of the trial balance. Or as a I have already told you The one question you have to select for your project work by making the journal entry, approximately 30 to 35 entries you have to take, and then makes the journal and put the entries into the ledger, and then makes the trial balance with the help of to know about the complete process. Now still the financial statement is on pending after it, then the process of project will be continued after with the same questions to continue with the final account. I will give you the guidelines time to time. So you have to do your back exercise of the all the numerical sum, and make best practices. Do your example, do your back exercise, and try to understand all the working style and the working techniques also, and reach up to this, and then the further comprehensive project work will be also inform you what you have to do. Thank you.